Yes, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all my viewers around the world. Today I'm going to share the simple recipes of cooking or preparing our soup fish. Yes, half fried fish. Up on the screen, these are the ingredients you need to prepare such fish. So this is our fish, very good washed. So we are going to fry our fish first. These are our powders, the vegetables, roiko, the oil for frying the fish, tomatoes, but we shall wash the tomatoes, of course, everything. Remember, you have to be clean and you have to wash everything before cooking or preparing anything. This is our fried fish. As I said, we are preparing because this is the main soup. We are preparing the main soup. Here are our chopped ingredients like the vegetables, tomato, carrots, ginger, pepper and onions. But first we are going to cook aside tomatoes, carrots and onions only. In that, we want to make our tomatoes soft and also to prepare them, because you cannot if you prepare aside, it will be simple to be added in our fish. So we are using small amount of water to act as our oil to cook, to be able to cook these vegetables first. So here we are cooking the vegetables first, but we are not cooking the pepper and the ginger. As usual, those are the last ingredients. In this recipe, we are not going to use garlic, we are not going to use coriander, because coriander and garlic, they kill, or they make the fish, the scent for the fish get lost totally in our soup. So in this fish, don't put coriander, don't put garlic. Yes, so this is a simple way of preparing soft tomatoes for those people without blender or without any mashing machine. So this is our powder we are going to add after making our tomatoes soft. That is turmeric, salt, fish powder and Maggi, that is the vegetable one, the Maggi for vegetables. So after adding the powders in our vegetables, we shall just wait for 2 minutes and we set off from the fire. As you see, it's just simple. Yes, it's just simple. Remember, we are preparing our fish and we are about to finish. So as we are finishing, we set off the vegetables aside. After, what is next? After preparing our fish, what is going to be next? We are going to wash our fish first. After washing our fish with good clean water, we shall get warm water, which is not cold. We soak it. We soak the fish. Why are we soaking? Soaking this fish in hot water or very warm water helps to remove the excess oils on the fish. So you see, now we are finished washing and now we are soaking. So now this is how the fish will come out when you soak it in hot water. You see? So then we are going to get our ingredients. Yes, as you see in the video, you put in our fish. So we are going to mix it in our fish. Remember, we have not added water. Yes, so get half cup of water. You doesn't need too much water. Remember, this is soup. We need only just small amount of water. Put in our fish. Remember, when you are cooking, whenever you cover soup, the steam will be added in that soup. So if you cook fish and you cover and you put a lot of water, it will make a lot of soup, which we don't need. And after, you see, when we put the ingredient, or when we set aside the ingredients, it means we are going to use small amount of fire. You understand? That's why we use small amount of water, and we first cook the ingredients aside, because we shall need these ingredients to get into the fish, or to mix into the fish on small heat. So if you put a lot of heat, it will dry out all the soup. So after cooking for some good minutes, like for some 20 minutes, come up and add our bell pepper and the ginger. Why am I using big chopped gingers? Because if you grate the ginger, the soup will be full of ginger. But why I make these big pieces of ginger, because I'll remove the ginger after 5 minutes. So now here is our mixed royco. Remember, always mix the royco with cold water, and make sure that before you put it is turning white. Mix, you see. At this point, this is where you can remove the ginger, or you can wait. So again, reduce the fire. Even if you are using charcoal stove, reduce. If you are using charcoal stove, please just put ash on top of the fire to reduce the heat. If you are using firewood, remove some wood from the fire. So you see, this soup assures you that really there is less, even you can say no oil. Because whenever you are cooking any soup with oil, you will find out that after some minute the oil will come up. Every time you open the soup, you will find oil up. But in this case, you see, whenever you open, nothing there on the top. So I recommend people who say I don't want oils to use this process, because really you will enjoy. For those people who say I don't like fried food, I recommend you. For those people who are like me also, I'm a person who doesn't like oils. That's why I like such cooking. This is delicious, people. Guys, you don't know how I'm going to enjoy this. Yummy. For those people who have not viewed my last video, please, this is the video aside for beans. This we are beans. Last time we prepared beans with no oils. Please, you can go and check my previous video about beans. People, subscribe, follow, share. Yes, the only thing you can do for me is to subscribe, to share, and to like. So remember, you see, oh my god, see this, wow. Then someone, you say that boiled food is not sweet, is not yummy. Look at this, you don't know how I'm going to enjoy this with matoke, that is banana. But this time, hey, I'm going to enjoy it with tamalik cumin seeds rice. Yes, that is the rice I'm going to enjoy. Yes, I'm going to cook rice. It's also boiled, but in that rice I'll put the cumin seeds and small turmeric. Yes, here we go. I'm ready. Yes, hope you have enjoyed the video. Hope you have learned something. Yes, or subscribe on my channel, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.